everyone, I'm Pooja Nayak and I recently completed my postgraduate diploma in Big Data Analytics from SM Beta. But my journey with this institute began even before that with the Pre-CAT course, which truly set the tone for everything that followed. The Pre-CAT program was one of the most important steps in my career journey. It wasn't just an entrance preparation, it was a complete package. From aptitude and reasoning to basic programming concepts, it gave me a clear understanding of what to expect and how to prepare. The faculty was so supportive and experienced. They didn't just teach concepts, they made sure we understood them. The constant encouragement helped me gain confidence and ultimately crack the entrance exam. Honestly, if I hadn't taken Pre-CAT here, I wouldn't have been this well prepared for what was coming. So once I got selected for the PGDBTA course, the institute offered a foundation course and I can't stress enough how helpful that was. It focused deeply on programming basics, especially in Java, along with problem solving and logic building. This cleared all my doubts and strengthened my fundamentals and made me comfortable with the pace and depth of the actual course. It was really a bridge between the Pre-CAT and the main course. From there, my PGDBTA journey truly began. What made the experience so amazing was the way the institute guided us throughout. Every concept, whether it be big data tools, databases, or machine learning, was taught with the industry relevance in mind. What I really appreciate was the practical focus. There were hands-on sessions, real-time projects, and mentors who were always ready to help you. The environment was not only educational but also inspiring. It felt like I was a part of community that wanted me to succeed. Now looking back, I feel genuinely grateful to be the part of this institute. The journey from Pre-CAT to foundation to PGDBTA was smooth, structured, and deeply impactful. If you are thinking about joining, whether it's for the Pre-CAT or the main course, I wholeheartedly recommend it. It's a place where careers are built from the ground up, just like mine was.